Hi, my name is Cody, and today we're going to be going over and visually inspecting a HVAC system. The first thing we're going to do is look at the condition of the condenser, and looking at the front at this condenser, you can see that a lot of the fins are bent down, so that's not good for the condenser. You're going to have to best thing to do is go through with a comb and straighten all those back out. You also want to make sure there's no debris or anything in the condenser. The next thing we're going to do is trace our lines for our AC system. And what we're looking for is going to be any kind of damage to your metal lines, any kind of like excessive rust, holes, anything like that. Your soft lines, you're going to be looking for any kind of kinks, any kind of chafing, any holes, any kind of excessive damage to your lines. You also want to make sure that your lines are secured properly to help avoid chafing in the lines from vibrations from the engine. And as you can see here on the accumulator, it is not actually secured properly, so it causes a lot of shaking, which is not really good for your lines. You're also going to be checking for the little caps on your service ports. Make sure that your caps are there and they're not all full of debris or anything like that. We're also going to take a peek at your evaporator. Make sure it's not full of debris or the fins aren't bent over or anything like that, and check it for excessive damage. We're also checking the lines in the sleeper to make sure that they're good too. You can also use a refrigerant sniffer to help you find leaks within your system. Next thing we're going to check is our compressor clutch. You're going to make sure that it's working properly and there's no excessive damage to the clutch itself. After you check the clutch, you will check your fan, make sure your fan operates correctly and the blades aren't damaged in any way. Next, we're going to check the condition and tension of our belts. Finally, we're going to check the controls inside the truck, making sure that our blower and blenders work properly and the AC turns on and you can switch it over to heat if need be.